Have you ever tried generating images with AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, etc.? Then you have probably faced at least one of these problems. Number one, run out of credit if you are using a paid plan. Free plan give you only limited number of images. Or even worse, after writing a detailed prompt, the AI simply say, sorry, I can't help you with that. It doesn't allow you that type of request. That type of request. But what if I told you that you can generate unlimited AI images without paying a single penny? No subscription, no credit limit, no waiting for your monthly quota to reset, and no dependency on any online service. Today I am going to show you how to host an AI image generator directly on your own computer. Once it's running locally, you can generate n number of images, any kind of images. Whether you want realistic photo, anime artwork, wallpaper, logo, concept art, or something completely unique, everything will happen on your own machine. And the best part is, I promise not to make this video technical. This guide is designed for everyone, even if you have never installed any tool before. Before we get started, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy practical AI, cybersecurity, networking, and technical tutorial like this, please take a moment to check whether you have subscribed to this channel. Subscribing is completely free, but it helps support the work that goes into creating this tutorial and allow me to keep bringing more useful content to you. Thanks for your support. As I promised earlier, I will keep this video completely non-technical and easy for everyone to understand. Today I am going to show you how to install an AI generator directly on your computer and start creating image locally. Don't worry, if you have never done anything like this before, I will explain everything in a simplest way possible. To understand the setup, think of it as having two parts. The first part is the software that you will see and interact with your computer. The second part is the AI model that work behind the scene and actually generate the image. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine a human being. The software is like a body, while the AI model is like a brain. So first we will install the software, or we can say we will build the body. Then we will add the brain, we call the AI model, that power image generation. To get started, I have provided a GitHub link in a description box below. Simply copy and paste that link in your browser and GitHub page will open. On that page you will see a green code button. Click on it and select download zip. It's a small file, so the download should finish quickly. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. In some cases, you may need to extract it twice. After extraction, open the folder and look for the file name start. This is a batch file. Simply double click it to run. Once you open it, the software will automatically detect your system and install all the required dependencies. Whether you are using CPU or a dedicated graphics card, it will identify necessary component and install everything required to get the software running. All you need to do is to double click the file and wait. The installation process may take few minutes, so I will fast forward this part of the video. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message saying press enter to close. Simply press enter. The software will automatically open a web page in your default browser. In some cases, it open in a Microsoft Edge, but you can use any browser you prefer. The address is localhost 1420. You can copy this address and open it in a Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser. Since the software is running locally on your computer, the same interface will open regardless of the browser you use. I also recommend bookmarking this page so that you can access it easily in the future. Now our software is ready. The next part is to add a AI model. To do that, open the model manager. Here you will find multiple AI model available for the download and use. Each model has different characteristic, different size and different hardware requirement. You will notice some models are designed to use less RAM and fewer system resources. These are great option for laptop or system without dedicated graphics card. You will also find larger and more powerful model designed for users who have dedicated graphics and want higher possible image quality. For the demonstration, I will use model called Cyber Realistic, which I have already downloaded. If you already have a model downloaded on your computer, select choose wait file and locate the file on the system. You will also see an option called download model from URL. This allows you to download a model directly from the internet by pasting it download link. Since I have already model downloaded, I will simply import it from my computer. Once the import is complete, click load. That's it. The AI model is now connected to the software. In simple terms, we have successfully added the brain to the body. To save the time for recording this video, I have downloaded this before starting the recording. In your case, you can click on that download button to download it locally. So we have successfully added the brain to the body. Now your AI image generator is ready to use. Now let's move on an exciting part, generating image. Here you will find all the settings related to the image generation. You can select image size, resolution, aspect ratio and various other parameters based on the requirement. You also have option to upload a base image. This is a useful if you want to modify an existing image or use it as a visual reference for generating a new one. Simply upload your image. Adjust the setting, enter your prompt and click generate image. Now let me show you few sample example so you can get a better idea of what the system is capable of. I will try different prompt and different style to demonstrate the flexibility of the AI model and the variety of the result it can generate. The AI model will process your request and create an image based on your description. Within a short time, the generated result will appear on your screen. As you know, in a previous example, we were using Cyber Realistic model. The model we used earlier is designed to run efficiently on low-end system and a machine with a limited resources. However, if you have a powerful computer with a dedicated graphics card, you can say gaming computer, you can take advantage of larger and more advanced model. To save time, I have already downloaded the another model as well. Let me quickly load it. The process is exactly the same as before. Open the model manager, select the model and click load. Once loaded, it will become the active model for image generation. Now let's generate few more images using the AI model. Again, I'm just giving you a sample prompt to showcase that it's a uncensored AI model. It will not say you sorry. It will simply generate the image whatever prompt you will give. So might be YouTube will not allow me to demonstrate such images. So I'm just simply putting some filter on that image to blur, and the prompt which I am entering here is just to showcase. As you can see, results are even more detailed, sharper and visually impressive. Different models are optimized for different purposes. You can use even more advanced model as well. That's why experimenting with different model can help you to find perfect balance between quality, speed, hardware requirement and your requirement. If you are using a laptop or a system without a dedicated graphics card, I recommend using a lighter model. They require fewer resources and generally provide a smoother experience. But obviously, because it run on a CPU, so it will take time for image generation. But yes, you can use on your laptop as well, in which the graphics card is not available. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave the comment below. In the next video, we will keep exploring locally hosted AI model like ChatGPT or Claude. If you give some prompt and they can simply say, sorry, we are not designed to give you the result, that called censored AI model which we are using online, but I will help you to set up uncensored AI model locally on your computer. In by using it, you can do multiple researches and it will not say you sorry. So again, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.